So if you have been anywhere on social media for the past couple of weeks, you've probably heard about IGTV. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about what IGTV is and how you can use it to book more clients for your event planning business. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them book more clients and double their revenues. So, how can you use IGTV to book more clients for your business? That's right, I'm breaking it down and sharing with you 3 strategies you can use to get those clients coming into you over and over again. Now, if you already are on social media, you're probably thinking, oh my God, this is one more thing that I have to focus on. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. If you're already an event planner or a wedding planner and you're on YouTube, that's okay. Keep doing what you're doing if that's working for you. However, if you find that most of your clients are on Instagram and you're on Instagram, you're posting, you're using stories and doing everything else, well, IGTV is just an additional feature that you can take advantage of. And here's how you can do that. So IGTV is essentially Instagram stories, but a longer duration. So right now, Instagram stories is about 10 to 15 seconds, but IGTV allows you to go 5 to 10 minutes or even longer. So you can do longer featured videos that your customers can enjoy. And I'm gonna give you some sample of how you can do exactly that. So now you have IGTV, one of the things you can do is you can do more tutorials for your customers. What that means is that if, for example, you're a florist or you do any decor or centerpieces, you can do quick little tutorials that your DIY brides can do themselves. This is not something to take anything away from your business, but it's just an additional thing that your customers can watch, that they can enjoy, that they can try on their own, and it shows your expertise and why they should hire you. Now, the next thing you can do, and this one's important, is that you can share behind the scenes of your business. That's right. I don't know about you, but I love taking glimpses into people's businesses to see how they operate. What do they do on a daily basis? And you can do just that. So maybe you're setting up an event and you can turn the camera around and show them how you go about doing that. Think of how you can time lapse the setup of an entire space from beginning to end. You can also, maybe you're working with a bride. Maybe you're helping get a bride ready. You can help to document that process and share it with your potential customers. It's a great way to show them of how you work and why they should be working with you. The other thing that you can do is that you can use it as a storytelling tool. That's right. Use IGTV to tell stories, because everyone loves a good story that tugs at their heart, particularly if it starts with a problem, ends with a solution, and if you have me in tears, even better. So here are some examples of what you can share. Let's say that you help plan a proposal. You know, he did the work, he proposed, she loved it, she was crying, they were crying, their family is crying. This is a perfect story to share on IGTV. Not only does it give your customers something to watch, but I know if they're like me, it's tugging at their heart, and that's exactly what you want. The other thing that you can do is you can actually share your common issues with customers. And when I say that, use caution with this one. I don't want you to use this as rants. So don't use this to rant about customers that you don't like working with, but instead use it for issues that you run into. So maybe you find that your brides wait until a month before their wedding when they're running into issues with their vendors, or if they've already chosen a really bad vendor and you have to help them fix it. This is something you can share. You can share a story about brides who don't really research and evaluate vendors correctly and how they can fix that problem. Those are the stories that people enjoy hearing, and that it really places you as an expert in the customer's eyes. So if you are scared about IGTV and thinking about all the work that you might have to do with this additional tool, think no further, look no further. Just hop on and use these tips to bring more clients into your event planning business. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss all my weekly tip videos and how you can grow your event planning business and double your profits.